As always, please retry this question before watching the video. There are only two things you need to know to be able to answer this question. If you don't know the answer to either of them, please add them to your cheat sheet, master them, and go back 5 before continuing in the video. What is the RC for economy questions? There are 3 longer answers and 1 shorter answer. What is the WTD for economy questions? The shortest answer is almost always right. The shortest answer is almost always right. So on these, you'll often also get a prompt of, in this scenario, least redundant, which just means at least in some of the answers, something is repeating. And so we can go ahead and eliminate answer B because we already know that Jerem is the project founder, which it said earlier in the passage. So we can eliminate answer B. Answer C is just super wordy and awkwardly written. And so that just leaves us with A and D. Both of them only has 3 words. So this one really has 2 longer answers and 2 shorter answers, which it is more often more cut and dry than that. But you can still recognize that the wrong answers are wordy, especially when you've done enough of these, you know that this is an economy question. So we need to decide between A and D. Often, Jerem has learned a song is all the spark people need to get longtime neighbors to find new friends. Or often, as per Jerem. So we don't know what as per Jerem means. That's not like a real thing that we say. And so that one, even though it's quite short, is not clear and concise, which is what we want on economy questions. So our answer is A. If that made sense to you, please add it to your worksheet, write what you learned along with the answer, and continue on to the next economy question that you missed. Economy questions can be verbosity, redundancy, relevance. So please do the remaining verbosity, redundancy, and relevance questions you miss on this test. If this is the final verbosity, redundancy, or relevance question that you missed on this test, please go ahead and do the all economy mastery before continuing to the next category that you missed the most of.